Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, she is back again. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. But please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell, because that is how you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate you. Welcome. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for keep on returning and welcome back. So today I want to share with you how I am going to treat my hair with Ayurveda or Ayurvedic. Well, both are the same. I have done this before on Chikakara and Amala for hair treatment. If you haven't watched it, I will leave the link here so you can check it out. So without taking more of your time, let's just jump into it. So here is my container. I'm gonna grab my chikakar. I will be taking few spoons of chikakar. Chikakar is very good for your hair. It's antibacterial, antifungals, increase growth and prevent hair damage. The next one will be amla. Amla is antifungals. It reduces dandruff and add volume to your hair. Arita. Arita is likewise chikakar and amla. It also reduces dandruff. I will add few spoons. You don't really need too much arita, but you can add more if you want. Next one will be my black tea. I made this black tea from rosemary dry leaves. You can use warm water if you want, or any tea of your choice. It don't have to be rosemary tea, okay? Now we just go ahead and mix it together. Here is my rosemary. I made the black tea from the dry leaves rosemary, as I said before. So I will go ahead and add my olive oil. Olive oil is very good for your hair also. It increases hair growth, and my hair loves olive oil. Gonna add castor oil. Castor oil also increases hair growth and it prevents acne. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is high in omega-3. So recently I added linseed or flaxseed oil to my routine because it's rich in fatty acid. It has omega-3, vitamin B and E. Grapeseed oil helps to penetrate low porosity. So I will add a bit of peppermint oil. I made this myself. If you don't have peppermint oil, it is okay. Just use the oil you have. Next one will be aloe vera. I also made this myself. I add 1 tablespoon. I am sensitive to aloe, but I wanted to try the oil and it didn't react to my scalp at all. Coconut oil adds shine to your hair. The next one will be my tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps to stimulate your scalp. It increases hair growth and reduce itchiness. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my rosehip oil. Rosehip oil helps to heal your scalp. Now I'm just gonna mix it. If I'm not happy with the consistency, I will add more tea or more warm water to reduce the thickness, because I want it a bit lighter. I don't want it too thick. So I'm just gonna continue mixing. And see if I'm happy. If not, I will add more black tea. You want to mix this very well, okay? mix it very well. What I did, I left it overnight. I didn't use it that very day, but you can use it after 4 or 5 hours. So here is the next day. I parted my hair into 6 sections. You're gonna make your hair, the lines of your hair, very neat, okay? And the next day I heat the herbs up a little bit in microwave, and I pour it in my pre-pour bottle. There is one advice I would like to give you. When you're doing your pre-pour, you have to file your nails, because when your nails is not well filed, it's easy to break your hair. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna gently detangle my hair after I apply the herbs on my scalp and my hair. Before you do this, you can see the dress I put on here. You don't really need a fasting dress. You need to wear a dress that you don't normally wear out. For example, the one you use at home, a dark dress or anxious color whatsoever. You can see me there. I also put apron on my neck because this is really messy. So I'm just gonna continue pre-pouring. This is so nice pre-pouring. I can't imagine washing my hair without pre-pouring, because pre-pouring your hair makes your life easy, and it also makes your wash day easy. So after I finish preparing my hair, I left it on my hair for 2.5 hours, and I went ahead and shampoo my hair. Some people do use this as a shampoo, but I used mine as a pre-pour. So as you can see here, I'm almost done. This was so nice. You will see the finished video in the end. My hair was so soft after shampooing and deep condition. My hair was so soft and moisturized. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell, leave your comment in the comment section, like and share with your friends and family, because it might help them out. Thank you so much guys. Bye.